am from Seattle. I am also guide and also the department of this museum. Okay. So this is the new exhibition of museum, and this one new one, and other one is a old one also. And this is the you have been in Lumbini, I think. This is the birthplace of Lord Buddha. And in this area, this is the market stone. This is indication where the Lord Buddha was born. And thus the Chinese pilgrimage, Fascian and Xuanzang. In 5th century AD, the Fascian came in this side, Kapilavastu. And he mentioned in a travel account, Kapilavastu is a lies on the Bhagirathi river. And from the Kapilavastu, we can see the Himalaya also. He mentioned in a travel account. And Xuanzang, in 7th century AD, when he came, and he also mentioned, all the ruins and the capital city is held down inside the capital city. And this area, no one body lived, he mentioned. And then after this is a UNESCO team, our excavation in Kapilavastu in 2015. You can see the bricks and ruins also there inside. From here to the Thailand guest also. And this is the, when Gautam Buddha is going to the renouncement, this immigration is mentioned by the Myanmar country. You can see the Mara and the Kanthaka and the Siddhartha and the Chanda. And this is the Maya Devi, when you see the dreams. White elephants and white lotus. And this is the going to the school, this one. And this is the Siddhartha Gautam Buddha's son and Yasodhara, and this one. And this is the, when Gautam Buddha born, the Asita is forecasting his name and his future also. You can see this is the Asita and Maya Devi and the son also. And this is the, when Gautam Buddha going to the renouncement, and then after Siddhartha's Kanthaka and the horse coming to the Kapilavastu city, and there was just outside one stupa. This is the stupa is indication Gautam Buddha's horse was passed over. This one is the. And this is mentioned by the P.C. Mukherjee, Indian Archaeology, 1899 also. And just from the one original Kapilavastu have Nepal in Kapilavastu, and other one is India also claiming I have one original Kapilavastu. But this one is a Kapilavastu, original one. In 1962, Devla Mitra, one archaeology also, he come in the Kapilavastu side and he excavation in a north direction. And this is the part of the Devla Mitra excavation. And he mentioned this is the 3rd century BC only. And he go to the Indian Kapilavastu and he mentioned this one is the original one. And that one is a third one. So then same time, the UNESCO, the Lumbini Vikas Course and Department of Archaeology, and again development the trench, the excavation deep and deep, and he found the postcode. And this indication, this is the carbon dating, it's 6th century BC. It's for the 6th century BC. And this is the indication of this one. This is the postcode, the timber. And the first time there is no break. Made with the timber. Yes.
This is how the wall was erected.
Yes.
During the ancient period.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh. And this is in Kapilavastu, there is a 5 dynasty was civilization. First is the one is Sakya, and Maurya, and Kusana, and Sunga, and lastly Gupta. And then no one lived in this area. And this is the just near to the Samarkand temple. This is belong to the Hindu temple. Yes. And just near to the temple, the UNESCO team and the government of Nepal excavation in 2015 he found the one is the
Stupa.
no stupa, that is that monastery. Monastery. He found. And just belong, they going, there is a lot of phase you have seen. And just the last one, very good evidence was found 8th century BC. You can see this one. This is the 8th century, this is the indication also of the timber one.
8th century BC.
Yes sir, 8th century BC, this one indication.
This is also part of palace.
Yes, part of palace. And this also, you can see this one, lot of bricks and bricks. And this is the Samemai temple. This is the belong to the Hindu temple because also father and mother Siddhartha also belong to Hindu. In this area, this Samemai is the time, ascent time indication. When a person got the marriage and long period they have no any child, and they come to the this palace and wish, if a wish will be accomplishment, we offer the statue of elephant. You can see the lot of this elephant.
Oh, that's why त्यस कारणले यो हात्तीको बनाउँदो रहेछ
हजुर यो सर
थुप्रै ठाउँमा देखेको थिएँ
हजुर lot of you see the lot of area in Kapila Vastu everywhere in every means the village and out a rural area also you can find a lot of elephants also.
त्यो आफ्नो इच्छा पुरा भयो भने
Yes, yes. And this is the capital city of Kapila Vastu. And this one is the Kapila Vastu is the ascent name. Kapil means the sage and Basti means the village of sage. Is known as the Kapila Vastu. And but new name is Tilaura Court. Why Kapila Vastu became a Tilaura Court? Because in this area three Lord Buddha was born. First Buddha born in Gutihama, Pakurachandra Buddha. Second Buddha born in Niglihama, Kanangmuni Buddha. And third Buddha, Kasyap Buddha Banaras in India. And last Buddha born in Lumbini, Sakyamuni Buddha. In Asoka king in 3rd century BC, when he came in this area, where Buddha was born, he erected a one pillar. In Lumbini, one pillar in Niglihama, one pillar in Gutihama. In this area, 3 pillar and 3 Buddha was born. So, new name is Tilaura Court. T-I means the 3. Laura means the, in Nepali we call the stick. Stick means the, pillar. And court is the 45 area. This city is a 45 area. It's known as a Tilaura Court. And the UNESCO also holds the city scanning with the GPS. You know GPS, one kind of machine. Without a digging, the machine will be shown. Where is the ruins, where is the building, everything will show in the machine. And this is the part of exhibition by the UNESCO, the government of Nepal, and the Lumsden Development Trust. You can see there.
Nice. Thank you.
यो एकछिन यो स्याटेलाइट पिक्चर हो होइन
हजुर
अनि स्याटेलाइट पिक्चरबाट जिपिएसबाट यो पोजिसनहरू के देखाइरहेको छ के अलरेडी त्यो सर्फेसमा भएको सर्फेसभित्र भएको चिजहरू
यो सर एक्सहिबिसन भइसकेको छ आउटलाइन। You can see the lot of this, the statue of the, this is the ruins also, the artifacts also. Yeah. This one is the original one, this one. And the UNESCO ordered the same size, same bricks, and they protect a new one. And one thing is very important is, in CWC, the UNESCO means the Royal Palace of the Siddhodana, when he lived, the UNESCO found that this one is the Maya Devi, when saw the dreams, elephant, the lotus. This indication the 3rd century BC, carbon dating. It belongs to the 3rd century BC, Asoka time. You cardinals, wheels and rings, the statue of the Buddha, you can see
यो सबै त्यो एक्सक्युरेसन गर्दाखेरि मिस्टेक हो
Yes.
This is from the palace side.
Yes, yes.
दिस अल वाज फाउन्ड दैट दिस एक्सक्युरेसन वाज
This was found. Where was this found?
This is just inside the palace.
Inside the palace.
Yes, inside the palace.
We will go.
Yes.
यो चाहिँ यो त्यही भइहाल्यो
Hazır.
पसम
Shops and shrines.
Sub and souvenir. And very interesting things also you can see in this area. The GPS. You can see this is the yellow one. You can see the small line. Yes, thick line is one. This is the indication the fortification wall, and the black indication the ruins and building and structure, and white is the space, no anything.
दिस स्पेस
Yes, this space, and this is the 100 by 100 meter. This is the central palace, administration palace. अब
यही छ होइन यतै पारिपट्टि
हजुर भित्रै छ
ए यो यसको भित्र यो म्युजियम
होइन।
उतापट्टि
दरबार and this is the pond. Pond, yes. One interesting pond also found.
PUND
Yes. This is the 30 by 10. Yes, this is just this one. Likewise that one.
The
You
pond.
have been to Kathmandu, Patan, in Mangla Bazaar?
This is just in Tamil.
Oh, same palace. This same pond also found in the Kapil Vastu. This is the in 2050 the UNESCO got the trends and he found the 26 cores of bricks.
Yes, yes.
A single bricks have a 42 centimeter. It is carbon dating the 3rd century BC, Ashoka time. This bricks and the Maya Devi temple is similar to each other. Yes. And the only royal family, only the bath and the only take in this pond. Otherwise, no one ever miss.
यो अहिले पनि एक्सकेभेसन चाहिँ हुँदैछ
हजुर खनन
चलिरहेछ अझै चलिरहेछ अहिले
अहिले चाहिँ हाम्रो यो कोरोनाले गर्दाखेरिमा चाहिँ
बन्द गरेको छ?
बन्द गरेको
ए,
छ।
ल,
तपाईँ टिम आउन प्रयास गरिरहेको रहेछ।
ए हो
हजुर।
अहिले त अझै कति वर्ष लाग्ला है
यो सर हाम्रो यो कपिल वस्तुलाई ओपन म्युजियम पनि भनेर भन्दो रहेछ कि 235वटा आर्कोलोजी साइटहरू चाहिँ भेटिएको रहेछ।
कति
235वटा साइट।
235वटा साइट त्यसमा अहिले अति यो उत्खनन गर्न त अति बाँकी होला
कति छ
धेरै बाँकी छ है
For a while.
हजुर
Capture me.
सब डाइरेक्सन इन्डस्ट्रियल मोडल चाहिँ हाम्रो कुरा पारेको छ। यो चाहिँ 2015 युनेस्को टिमले चाहिँ यहाँ ट्रस्टमा भन्दाखेरि यति एरियामा चाहिँ लगभग 1 टनको चाहिँ आइरन शिलाहरू चाहिँ फेला पारेको छ कि यहाँ हजुर पूर्वको होइन सर दक्षिणी दरबारको दक्षिणतिर बाहिर चाहिँ छ। यो चाहिँ पहिलाको मानिसहरू चाहिँ भित्र नबनाएको छ इन्डस्ट्रियलहरू चाहिँ यो धुवाहरू आगोहरू लाग्दैछ किन भन्दाखेरि पहिला काठहरू छानहरूको चाहिँ घर थियो त्यसले गर्दाखेरि यो चारतिरदेखि चाहिँ पहिला चाहिँ हाम्रो क्यानलले चाहिँ घेरेको रहेछ क्यानलमा बोट छ त्यसमा क्यानलमा चाहिँ इकोटिक एनिमलहरू चाहिँ लाग्ने गरेको थियो प्रोटेक्सनको लागि चाहिँ त्यसरी कोहीहरू चाहिँ
Very ancient strategy of protecting the
पुरै एरिया पर्छ कि त्यो गाउँहरू सिलगढी जम्मै आउँछ जम्मैहरू
अनि यो चाहिँ हाम्रो गौतम बुद्धको उहाँहरूको समाज यो चाहिँ हाम्रो एक्चुअल भनेको दरबार यो चाहिँ the some part also described by the river also.
Can you explain in English?
Yes, I do.
या
And this is the actually this is the palace of the Siddhartha Gautama Buddha lived 29 years, and this is the river bed. You can see, and some part also destroyed by the river, the palace. You can see that this is the part of palace, but cutting by river. This one is the, and this is the father and mother stupa.
Just
It's called the Queen's
north side.
just northern side of the palace.
फादर एन्ड मदर
Yes, father and mother.
Which river is
This one the father and this one the Mahamaya. Siddhartha and Mahamaya. Yes.
River Varpati.
Yes, and this is the stupa Kanthak was passed over there. And the UNESCO in 2015 also accepted in this area. This is the indication that this is the water tank, and this is the monastery, and this is the stupa of Kanthaka. And the UNESCO also accepted in this area. He found one is the 2449 Panchamar coin, the Asokata. This 3rd century BC. You can see the clear image of the coins.
Currency on that time.
Currency, yes. This is the 3rd century BC.
Okay. Thank you. So nice of you.